Alright, what's up guys? Alright, look, I was just done making the video. You guys would see. What is wrong with this house? What is that? Oh my god, I freaking hate this. This house, when we got it, there was so much bugs everywhere. Not lying. And now, you see? Mess up! Alright, but anyways, what's called? I was just making done a freaking video for you guys. Oh, yep, I don't know if you guys heard that. It's freaking raining on. I don't know, it just started raining. I don't know how. Oh. Okay, that kind of scared me, no lie. After I went, and then it was done. No.
39 or 42?
49ers, 49ers.
49? No,
49ers to 49ers.
42?
Look at, let's go, guys.
Michael Thomas, 3 catches, 76 yards on that.
That's right. You dumbasses ain't winning. This ain't winning.
40 to 42.
Wait. Oh shoot. Oh, you're right there. Oh.
We'll be right back after this message from State Farm.
No. No, them. Let's go check up in the backyard. I'm not going that way. Go this way because I feel safer. Oh, I swear this house. It's a mess out here. Super mess. It is a mess. Everything. Oh, lightning. Oh, damn. What the heck? You heard that? Heard that? I'm trying to see if I could get lightning. Latin. Imagine, that would be crazy. Oh, lightning. That was lightning for sure. Right here. Look at me, look at me. Oh. Yeah, that's right, get out of the way. He said get out of the way. Wolfie, look at me. Wolfie, look at me. Look at me. What? Wolfie, look at me. Good boy. I see them how to sit. Watch. Come over here, Wolfie. Come on. That's their thing. They messed up super bad. Wolfie, come over here. Alright, Wolfie, sit. 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 Look at me. Sit. Sit. Alright, Wolfie, sit. No, you were just gonna do it. No. I have 2 hands. The trees are like colorful, dude. Damn. This is an Android, not a freaking iOS or whatever, or all those stuff. Oh, my phone got wet. Oh yeah, all that too is messy.
What are you doing there?
Nothing. Hey, sit, sit, sit. Woofy, sit, sit, sit. No, oh my. Oh, is it raining harder? Alright, there should be lightning coming any second. Why? Alright. No, 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 no. Stop. Stoop. If you sit. Up. Up. Come on. Wolfie. Damn, Wolfie. What the heck? Get over there. We have no food for the dogs. Dude, that was hard. That was hard. I paused it right now with my mom, and then thunder, it went boom boom, and then this one, and I'm like, what the heck? And I recorded fast. Wolfie, I'm scared. Lick me if you love me. Lick me if you love me. Lick me if you love me. Hey, lick me if you love me. I hate you too. I hate you. Alright. Bruh. We have no food. What happened, gay dog? I said, hey dog, okay? I said, what happened, hey dog? Looks like it's raining even more. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Let me just show you guys. This happened. Oh, my voice. This all happened bad. And we made all that into that. A house for the dog. So, yeah. Oh. That was loud, dude. I'm not lying. I'm actually being serious. Yo. Take me with you. Starting to rain a little more. We could tell because it's been raining for a long time. That made no sense. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Nothing else to really talk about or anything like that. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys did. Nothing else. So yeah, this and that. Hey, say bye. Say bye. Up. Oh. Trying to make it outro, but okay. Dude, what the heck? I'm gonna make this video into 20 minutes. No, dumb. That was hard. Super hard. It's all loud too. Hey! Hey, look at me. Oh my god. I hate you too, Wolfie. You know I hate you. Lightning right there. That was lightning. Oh! Okay, the water starts from right there or right there. You go, you go, you go, you go. Ends right there. This whole thing's gonna flood. It's gonna be like right here. Myself right there. Wearing the 49er thing. That actually crazy. Alright guys, that's it. That's it. I'm gonna go watch. Oh wait, first I'm gonna show you guys the football game and then we'll end the video there. How's the game? 42-40.
We're so close to the touchdown.
Dude, I'm gasped. No, dude. Oh.
Oh!
2 more minutes. Yes.
It's like down as your ball.
Have you seen the thunder? I mean, have you heard the thunder?
Use it to read up some more clock. All right, so a lot to do. First is Robbie Gould with a huge kick. If he kicks this, Saints need a touchdown.
It's crazy.
Last week from an injury, he's been slightly erratic as his career has been great. 41 yards to make it a 5-point game. Gould. He's got it for San
Boom! Oh shoot!
And so Robbie Gould delivers the
40.
but a lot of time left. 2:23 for Drew Brees.
Artrash! What is that?
Recap of this one, and it's pretty hard to do because there's been, I mean, a million things have happened. I mean, it's just been big play after big play. Now, the second half, turnovers have been the key. Saints got one, they were held to a field goal. 49ers got one, they scored a touchdown.
Is that it?
So that's a big reason why this is a 5-point
game?
win right now.
No, I don't think so. Oh damn, he went.
Two of the best, Sean Payton.
Oh, the one?
Shanahan and both these quarterbacks too. Garoppolo 4 touchdowns, Brees 4 touchdowns, but very familiar territory, Charles, is Drew Brees, who's done this before.
Our first half, 55 score. Most in the NFL game this season.
But this is a good match.
This is a gay ass match. I'm lying. I'm lying. No, but this game is good.
And did you know the person that's getting the ball? What happened if it didn't get to the guy and it went to the full can? Yellow team. 2 minutes, 19 seconds.
I'm gonna record until that is over. Oh, but what the heck is wrong with his head? Oh,
It's all shiny.
he got a tan. Oh my god. Oh, come on. 49ers win.
Travel with receivers, meaning they don't go with number one receivers. They play whatever side. Let's see if they want to run Michael Thomas down this stretch. Do they deal with Richard Sherman or not?
Come on.
On 2nd and 10. Another blitz coming. This time it's picked up. And Breeze makes a pay. And it is Thomas who's got a first down. Sherman is slowing it
Come
down.
on, dude.
It's a pretty big developing story here on this last. That area gets it right to his receiver. They didn't call a timeout, so Reed was kind of lost coming on the field. 1:29 to go. Saints need a touchdown.
No, don't even let. Hell yeah!
Yes. Let go.
It's down to the 23 with time winding down.
They did this.
Sherman out of the game. Emmanuel Mosley, undrafted free agent, played well earlier this year. And Akella Witherspoon, third year out of Colorado. 2nd and 5. Another blitz. Breeze.
Let's go!
But he couldn't hang on. Breeze. Back. Time throws incomplete.
Yes! Yeah, that's right. Applause for us.
Receiver.
1 more minute. Oh, a flag.
Pass interference. Defense.
Tell me how. How?
Automatic. First down.
As it
That's stupid.
reverse direction, Mosley came over to defend him and got just a little bit handsy with him.
Wait, what happened? Flat? On who? Saints?
On 49ers, I think. Kind of blurry.
1 more freaking minute.
Many people say, can you just let that go? No, he can't let it go because you don't know if he can actually go make the play or not. No Richard Sherman, no.
Don't let them do anything.
Card to that play coming into this game, and Drew Brees trying to attack this secondary. 1st and 10. Has time, throwing over the middle.
No, 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 no. Oh my God. No. Oh my God, dude. That's actually stupid. Bruh, they're lucky because they got a flag.
Notes from earlier this year when Drew Brees told us Traquan Smith struggled all year with an ankle injury, but he couldn't wait to get him 100%.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's just so freaking dumb.
So that trust paid off right there. So the play here. 2-point conversion is huge.
Okay.
Meaning that the 49ers can't win enough.
If the timer thing, the 53, could go down, that would be nice. I mean, go up, that would be nice.
First, the 2-point conversion. And remember the penalty that went against Mosley? It would've
Right, that was oh my God, it's kickoff.
allowed Kamara in the backfield.
Oh no, it's a play, it's a play.
Fake. Breeze throws incomplete.
Hey, dumbass. Hey, dumbass. Dumbass, dumbass.
Field goal can win it. With 3 timeouts.
They're freaking gay though.
Watch Traquan Smith from a
The heck?
and he comes underneath, runs a shallow cross, runs away from Fred Warner.
Dude, that guy got juked. Oh
And he jumped
my.
at the end, watch.
On a
Oh, gay.
nice move by Traquan Smith. It's been a frustrating year for that young man out of UCF. They thought he was going to ascend after trying to break out. Came into this game with only 9 catches on the season and a number of ankle ailments. Just can't quite get right. But he sure looked right on that play. Traquan Smith.
That's. Oh my.
Drew Brees does it again, marching along the
Stupid and dumb.
Think about the 49ers themselves. They have been great all year. They have dismantled some really great teams with their losses in overtime to Seattle. They lost at the buzzer to the Ravens last week. Now, they go down by 1 with 53 seconds left. However, we've been talking all game about that young man, his signature moments. This could just be it. This could be it. A field goal would be the signature moment. The guy and his team in this situation, as we just saw, Drew
Bro, I would have ran so fast right there.
put his team in a position to
Wait,
win.
what?
So they start on the own 25-yard line, and all eyes on Jimmy Garoppolo. Certainly the veteran kicker Robbie Gould, who has been excellent in his career. But keep in mind, his long field goal this scrimmage, 47. That's it. Which means they have to get down to about the New Orleans 30-yard line. Just back his second game allotted.
Yes.
He's going to pick up 8 on first down and should be a timeout by the 49ers, I would think.
No.
Dude, they should run as fast as they can all the way to the touchdown. Only 45 seconds.
Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen, Charles, the last 45 seconds of the game, but this is, when you talk about maybe the #1 seed in the league, I mean, this is everything. This game has been something. It has been something. The play callers, but
Oh my God. Do not go for a run. That's just dumb.
They have to.
What do you mean they have to?
No.
No!
With 42 seconds left. #1 cover guard Marshawn Lattimore draped himself.
If they have nothing to do there, they might have to win.
I don't mean to have that sound like a penalty, especially that's some coverage. Yeah, getting inside.
My hand is ready.
Good job on
Oh my God, dude.
Realistically 30 yards away for a field goal try. 3rd and 2, blitz coming. Garoppolo sees, fires incomplete. Trying to get it to Kittle, but Marshawn Lattimore on him, and it's a 4th down. I think that was Burger.
Come on, dude.
Not 32. 4th and 2. In on the line. This play will not count. I think San Francisco used a timeout there. They didn't want to get the delay.
Dude.
What was interesting was watching them try to get lined up, and it turned out that the rookie Debo Samuel knew the proper alignment and had to get Kendrick Bourne into it. And that took the addition
Yeah, not so far.
to the timeout. Well,
Not so far that they have to run.
the game's over, so you had to there. And we'll do it again. 4th and 2.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Let's freaking go!
It would be a 39-yarder.
Woo!
2. Thinking
Bah.
mask here, and there it is. Marcus Williams grabbing Kittle's mask, and he refuses to go down despite that. And look at how he's protecting the football.
I know. Oh, they threw in a flag. Oh.
No, but 43, who's holding it up? These are-
Oh yeah, it's for him. Hey, dumbass Santos.
I don't know why the hell he's
Marcus Williams
Let's go.
Oh.
He's all happy.
Let's go!
Yes.
Freaking go!
Come on, dude. Come on. There's 28 seconds. Wait, hold on. If they make a touchdown or a field goal,
If they make a touchdown, they win. Field goal?
they can only get one more
Yeah, they
point.
got 1 point. And it's like right there. If they
Do not.
Here, right there, and then right here, right there. That's too risky. They have to. It's still a pass rush. Run! Yeah! Well, oh, let's go. It's first down either way. It's first down either way. It's first down. It's first down.
Isn't that second?
First down. Cause flag.
Second, dumbass, you see?
Ow.
Throw right there. But watch where it starts. You have to be able to get a guy down in the open field. And what is George Kittle known for? Yards after catch.
Key!
The tackle is not made by C.J. Gardner-Johnson in open field. Marcus Williams tries to get it done.
And then that guy's all jumping on him.
Look at all the additional yardage Kittle gets.
It took all 3 of them just to get him down.
I know.
Even with the
85.
he's eating up
Gives them.
ground and yardage.
He's
And with San
gives them.
Francisco in a position to have a chance to win this one.
That's crazy, dude. Oh.
John Lynch, the general manager, has done so
That's so close.
along with Kyle Shanahan. And now this would be the signature win of the year for this team. And if it goes through the post, it becomes, as you noted, the signature drive for Jimmy Garoppolo. Kyle Nelson, the snap at Mitch. Mitch Nelson to win.
Damn, what the hell?
Snap is high.
Let's go!
Yes!
Let's freaking go! Hey!
Ah! Oh! Oh! Yes!
Let's go!
Yes!
Let's go! Let's go!
I know I'll try.
Let's freaking go. Freaking day right here. Let's go. 48 to 46.
Delivered.